All right, guys, going to give you a recap for the week here in the TradeLAB, brought to you by TheTradingRoom.com. So it's Valentine's Day, and traditionally on Valentine's Day, you get lots of love. Some of you guys get chocolates, some of you guys get roses, some of you guys are giving chocolates and giving roses. Well, the market today, when we talk about sentiment, is giving us some conflict. You can see actually the S&P. Hey, for kicks and giggles, let's actually give you a live trade. This is the NASDAQ right here, about 17 seconds away from actually giving me a qualifier, so you get to watch a live one. 10 seconds away. 10, 9, 8. We're going to get long here at 28.75. That's where the buy stop's going to be. All right, so let's talk about what the market did. In fact, let's just start with the NASDAQ. NASDAQ in the bull territory. Looked like we're going to have a breakout. Quickly dove right down. That was right out of the gate at 9:30. And it really is just played inside this neutral trade zone in between the greens for a majority of the session. Guys, we have light volume. Today just really feels like a pre-holiday or a holiday in itself somewhere in the world, and that would be here in the U.S. today. We got Monday, President's Day, so just a lot of what I like to call sloppy and choppy. Here is the S&P at a glance on a 5-minute, just to show you where it's been since right here at my crosshair 9:30 when we started trading in the neutral. It's just now starting to break out a little bit. Here's the opposite side, the notes. Notes have been choppy up inside of a neutral, but up in the in between bull zone 1 and bull zone 2. So the sentiment result with the notes up and now the S&P up is conflict. And this one over here is another example of some struggles we've had. We're looking to take it short. It's actually now starting to break down. Tried that earlier. Now this is working. And this is a counter trend trade that I took short earlier today. Counter trend, pulling back, headed possibly for the bull. And if we look at our next stream, which I was looking at earlier with all the traders, got kind of a conflict within itself. It's got a positive net change, but the 1 and the 3 hours are both negative. So it's inviting to take a counter trend when you got those guys negative, but it is one of the leaders of the day. So you can see the result of me trying that the first time. And then the last one to talk about is gold. Been trying to get long gold, but gosh, gold tapped out outside of critical resistance back at 10 o'clock this morning. Never got a clean trade entry opportunity. And it's just been hugging underneath that band. That white line up at the top, that's the high of the day. Gold went up and tapped 1586. And that's a higher risk trade, getting long outside of critical resistance, way up high in the sky. So going to cool the jets on that one. So you can see S&P kind of teasing the idea of going long. I'm not sure how long that's going to last, but I will share with you this. Valentine's Day does bring red. Here are the results. It's actually the worst trading day of the year. That's right, of the year. There's the results. And I'm hoping that those of you guys that think, oh, he only shows the winners, no, showing you some losses. However, the good news is we're up 57% for the year. That's on a $10,000 account. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the results. We're going to start by showing you for the week. I'm sorry, for the, let's just make sure I got that right. For the week, we're up 535. 535 for the week. We go back to the 1st of February. We are, if I can actually click on it, we are up 1440. And then if I go back to, excuse me, January, the beginning of the year, we have ourselves 4882. And what I can't pull up on the screen is my other computer, which is tracking the trades that I do out on the road. And that would be 800, make sure I get that right, 835. So if you take 835 and add it to 4882, my friends, that gives you a total of $57.17, $5,717, and that would be a 57.17% return 6 weeks into the year. So just wanted to bring that to you guys. Now you're up to speed. And if you're wondering how to get on board and trade with me in the morning, generally trade for only an hour. And here's how you do it. You go over to thetradingroom.com. Just like you see it, thetradingroom.com. Easy to get signed up for a 2-week trial. Watch a little video, get inspired, hop into the Trade Lab with me. We do this every Monday through Friday, unless there's a holiday like we have next week. And on that note, I bid you guys a great weekend. Enjoy the holiday weekend. Don't forget to take care of your significant other. And if you don't have one, you're part of the Lonely Hearts Club band, then I don't know, go play golf. Love the grass, love the clubs, love the outdoors. And that's your recap right here in the lab with me, EP. I bid you guys all a terrific weekend, and we'll do it again. I'll see you guys Tuesday morning.